Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh. Now I have to tell you ladies, this is the thinnest or the least dense piece I've ever tried. So this feels like if I could grow my own fine, baby fine hair long, this is how I suspect it might be. So it is really super thin. So if you're looking for a really low density, long hair wig, I think this is yours. So this is by Envy, and the style is called Belinda, and the color is Golden Nutmeg. So it's Belinda Golden Nutmeg. Check the color. All of these pretty highlights. I just pulled her out of the box, so I haven't done anything to make her mine. I even picked the part line that was already in the hair. We're gonna look on the inside in a minute, but I want you to see this because it is super low density. So let's look at the back. So look at, if I wanted to make a ponytail, I'm showing you, it's really, this is how low density it is. So if you're wanting a piece with a little more hair, this wouldn't be it. I do like this. It's again by Envy, and the style is called Belinda, and the color Golden Nutmeg. Couple of things I'm noticing, that there's just a really small area right here that's looking like super natural right here, which I don't hate. It's not necessarily ideal, I think, for me. When I put a fresh part in, I like to do, I notice that, you guys look at this. See, it doesn't look as natural if I part it where I'd like to part it. So we're gonna let it do its thing. I'm just gonna go like this so you can see the hairline. I'm in front of my big window. It's an overcast day, so the light isn't super shiny. Let's adjust this. 4 fingers, right, from my brow bone. That's about right. Pretty color. I think I like the part the way it came, kind of like this. But let's look on the inside so you can get a tour, the full tour. So this is by Envy. We're gonna gently take her off and wear my little combination wig grip, wig cap, really to collect my hair so it's not all over the place. So this is her, very fine, very low density. I can grab all of the hair in one little tiny ponytail. Now let's turn her inside out. So this answers the question. So this is the small space where we can part the hair. Now it's got a whole lace front, so we could wear it off our forehead and it'll look like it's coming out of the cap, but you're really limited to a part here. The adjusters in the back are like this. They're not the Velcro tabs, but this works fine. So this is the inside. Let's turn her back out and let's look at that part line and see what we see here. So where the hair is parted is right here. So let's look, right. So where I was trying to part her was not within this space. So on the part on the top, that's where we're gonna want the part to lie. And it looks like the hair is kind of naturally doing that right now. So let's put her back on and see if this all makes sense. Sometimes it's easier to start with the hair upside down so you can see what you're working with. So let's find the ear tabs and we'll pull it. So it's really a far left side part is what I would say. So if you're a middle part girl or a right side part, this might not be your piece. So let's move her around. She's really pretty. So super lightweight, really low density, and that's her, Belinda in Golden Nutmeg. So I'm gonna probably wear this gal to the gym tomorrow because this is a great density for, it looks like a throw and go wig. It doesn't look like I've put a lot of effort in. So this could be a really good casual. You're running to the market. Maybe if I didn't have makeup on, this would also make some sense and read super casual. Let's look at the back again. So a pretty piece by Envy. Again, this is Belinda in Golden Nutmeg. Love to know your thoughts. Cheers.